So the next technology that I have is a site called Quandary. Um, I would say this is geared towards kind of middle school level, could be even ninth graders. I don't think that seniors would find this interesting, but they might. Um, but essentially, what Quandary is, you are given a task, and it's kind of like it sets you in with kind of like a comic book setting, and there's like a situation at hand, and you have to talk to people, kind of see what their viewpoints are, and then you have to make decisions based on those viewpoints. So for the first one here, there was an issue with um, just like an animal killing sheep for the village of people, and they're trying to find a solution. Okay, so how do we get these animals to stop killing our sheep? And you kind of just have to talk around, and they give their solutions. You figure out some solutions. You decide what the best solutions you think are, and then you kind of present those solutions, and then you see how people react to that. Why this is so good is because you, as an educator, can also see your students' progress on here. And it also is a great way to kind of see what your students decide, and then you can discuss it afterwards, and you can say, okay, so what did you choose for this? Let's see, just kind of going through the site. So teacher dashboard. So I haven't created any classes yet, but I could create a new class, and then I could go in and view the report and have like students added into this class, view the report, kind of see how they made their decisions. And then of course you can discuss the questions in class. You can discuss tactics, strategy. You can discuss decisions made, what were the outcomes, all those kind of things with your class. And why this is so good is because this is based within SEL, and essentially, yes, SEL is very much knowing and understanding your social emotional situations that you are put in, but it's also about, okay, what are the consequences of certain decisions that are made, and understanding that based on your decisions, these are the outcomes you're going to have. So I just thought it was a really good way of kind of introducing SEL within younger kids, especially within kids who, especially within students who really like comic book kind of style stuff. And another great thing about this is it will read you what the responses are. So you don't have to read what they say. You can actually click on a little video. Let's see if I can go back. So it loads. Hold on. Play it. You get the comic book. You can click the little button. It will read it for you, and then you just go through all this comic book stuff. Read through the comic, and then it shows you the town village people. You click on them, and then you can play this little video, and it will read it to you. I have my sound turned off right now, but it will read it to you. So that's kind of nice. It just gives you all these different townspeople that you can talk to and figure out some stuff.